Hey guys, it's me. So, we're gonna watch an adorable
Hey guys,
video
it's me.
of
I'm
my
on my
pet.
mom's phone, so I don't think you can see him. But my lizard is on his bowl, and he's eating. Like literally just eating his worms right in front of me for the first time. Oh wow, the quality of this video will suck. Here, don't approach too fast, Mom. Kind of see his head. Turn the big light on. Yes, the big light, just for a moment. Here.
What's my phone?
I know.
Why are you phone?
Isn't he
I
cute?
couldn't go into the other room and get it. I'll
Or
try
she.
and send it to myself or something. Come on, precious. Eat your worms again. See over there, I just figured out how to get him to drink by spraying the glass. So I think he's trying to see if there's water on this side. In the den. In the den. Over here we have my fish, Mina and Soleil. Slow. Hush, hush. Good job. Good job, precious.
So yeah, he ate a full one already. And then, just recently checked on him. He ate even more.
I know it said that, but I didn't know if you saw it or not. Good job, precious. Go on. Finish your worm.
Here comes the adorable
Saying
part.
hi to the camera, are we? Hi, precious.
Adorable part.
Hi.
Look at his little arms.
Aww. This is you, precious. Oh my god, come look at his little hand. No, he's like trying to grip the wall. Oh. Oh my god. This is so freaking precious. So suiting of your name. Okay. Thanks for ruining the preciousness of my video. Would you like some water on this side too? You know what?
And the video quality is better than the original.
I'm gonna take my spray bottle. Oops, sorry. Just
Yeah, the quality is better than the original.
yeah.
Tried uploading it on my mom's phone, but it wouldn't work.
There you go,
Her phone is
precious.
stupid.
Let's see if you're gonna drink now.
Wouldn't upload. Kept freezing up.
Good boy or girl, Precious? Yeah. Sorry if this squirts you. There you go, Precious. Now let's see you drink. That's where he goes all the time. Over here. Or she. Precious likes to bask over here. On this little hill. Don't know why, but the felt has kind of stayed lumpy like that. But yep. Hi, Precious. Okay, Precious. So yeah, he ate a full, or she ate a full worm because I left out 4. We're there. Started licking the water there. Yep. His water is normally in here, but for some reason that wouldn't work. Like he just wouldn't drink from there. So I learned about misting your reptile. I tried that, but thought that water flow was too heavy for him. So decided instead to spray the walls yesterday. Worked. And worked today. But this is the first time he's eaten in front of me. So yeah. Say bye, Precious. Bye. Mwah. Alrighty, so thanks for watching, everybody. This is Lizard, my little leopard gecko, Precious. And if you're wondering why the plant is over here, it kept falling. I was afraid it was gonna hurt him. So, yeah. Okay. Bye, everybody. Thanks for watching. And Happy New Year, because today is New Year's night. And I also took my braids out. So, woo! Alright, bye guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye, Precious.
Alright, there we go. So, thank you for watching, as I said earlier. And see you later, although it's 12:07 now, so it is no longer New Year's Eve. I mean, excuse me, New Year's Day. Yep. Alright. Bye.